Here's a new 2022 Genesis G70. Others are built to be mirror images of the world around them. The G70 is built to change it. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, hands-free liftgate, twin-turbo V6 engine, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, automatic with driver control suspension management, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and automatic transmission. For Genesis, luxury is about more than just comfort. It's about performance, it's about versatility, and it's about safety too. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.